Here are the steps and tools I used to produce my last video for my YouTube channel. Let's learn together.
Alright guys, I want to take you guys to how I created this new video I posted today to the channel. I've been doing it for some days now. I've had some delays, so let me take you guys through how I did it so that we can learn together. So to get ideas, to generate topics, viral ideas, I had to make use of my ChatGPT. So to get that, look at what I did. First of all, I gave it an instruction. I had an idea on what I wanted to do, but I had to get everything clearly. So I gave it an instruction here. Based on true life events, compile a list of major, most talked about wars that has happened in African history with relevance in my niche. Excuse me. So it gave me the 1. The Punic Wars. 2. The fall of ancient Egypt to the Persians. 3. The Aksumite Himerite Wars. 4. The Islamic conquest of North Africa, and the rest of it. So after this, I give it another instruction. Read this list according to relevance and ability to generate views, engagement, and retention scale, and list them accordingly in one arrangement. This is how I actually prompt my ChatGPT. You can have a different way of prompting it to give you exactly what you want. That's how it works. So he gave me options which I had to choose from. He rated it according to different relevance and all that. So I had to choose, which I did. Fall of Carthage in the Punic Wars. So he developed the video script with visual prompt. But then, because this video is going to last for a minute and 30 something seconds and all that, so the visual prompt, it was not going to be enough. So I had to expand it. Okay, I had to do that using my I used ChatGPT to expand the prompt to the much I want. Unfortunately, I've removed the place I did all that I would have shown you, but after expanding the prompt, I just have to prompt ChatGPT again to give me extra visual prompts. So, and I had to make it seamless. After that, I headed over to Gemini. I headed over to Gemini to generate the visuals with the prompt which I generated from ChatGPT. As you can see, these are the visuals. There are a lot of them I generated, although I didn't make use of them all because it was much. So I had to select. What I did after generating, if I observe it and try to rate it with the video I'm making, and if it doesn't tally, I have to regenerate. So till I get exactly what I want. So as you can see, here are the visuals, all of them and even more. So after generating the visuals, as you can see, this Google Gemini, it has a logo. As you can see at the bottom right corner of this visual, the logo appeared. So I had to remove it to make it more authentic. So what I did was head over to high pitch. That is where I erase those stuff. So like this now, for example, I had to erase this thing with this from this erase here to make it more authentic. I can choose, just tap it and it will wipe off. If you want it this way, then you can use Magic Eraser for more options. So after that, just save it, export, and then after that, after it editing it, then the next thing I did was headed over to Grok AI. After heading over to Grok AI, I will animate it. But before I animate it, I had to use the same prompts which I used to generate it. The same prompts I used to generate it. Like this, for example, I'll copy it, come here, place it. When I place it, click on make video custom, then send it. It won't take time to generate. It will animate the video about 6 seconds. 6 seconds. Wait for it to load. So this is the process I underwent. It took me some days. Here are all my animated visuals, as you can see. All my animated visuals. So after animating, and mind you, before doing all this, I had already extracted my distant script for voiceover. I was advised to use Kling AI, but Kling AI, I didn't have the money to subscribe it. I didn't have the money to subscribe it. So what I did was I used another script, which is 11 Labs. I used 11 Labs to, as you can see, here is my script. I used 11 Labs to generate my voiceover. After generating my voiceover and all that, then the final step, head over to CapCut, where you put everything together and edit it properly. You impute all those visuals you animated, then with the voiceover, everything. If you want to add sound, you add.
The Empire Rome erased from history. Rome did not just defeat Carthage.
I put everything together as I wanted it to be. So here it is. After that, I had to add my cover image. After adding my cover image, save and export. After exporting, then my video was ready for uploading.